set set it the name is not equal to the value. So name is equal to value, then on property changed. Name of the name. So this property on property change, this is a method that is dapat na to inherit inherit na to ang interface, which is identify property change. So using this interface, it notifies the clients that this property value has changed, so that we don't need to assign the value. Automatic siya ma-assign, but we have to create the event. The event property change event handler. Then we will name this event as property changed. Then protected void on property change. So kanina method then the property name. So we have only one property, which is the name, diba? But this method can be used in different properties. Dili lang sa name, pwede sa property of the class. So for now, we have the name property. It requires string.empty. So name property change. We have to invoke method when there are changes, property change with the arguments, which is the name, property name. Okay, so whatever property that we want to automatically change within the address. Then we already have our sample view model. Let's create a new item. Okay, so let's save one. Okay, so let's say summer content page. Okay, you can use the main page na siguro. So stack layout. Then the stack layout. Inside the stack layout, we'll be adding the two labels for the name and to display the name and to input the name for binding the name. Copy paste. So this one is M3. So basically, we're creating a very simple example of data binding. Kung input ko sa M3, magawa siya sa label. Actually, pwede rin siya ma-accomplish using kanang assigning sa value directly sa label. I mean sa entry going to the label. Pwede na ito mag-add with handler nga text change lang. So, and the text change the value of so let's add a placeholder. Kind of it. And then to do the binding, you have to type this one with the page that binding context. Then inside you have to locate the file. So the name of the file is sample view model. Sample view model. Okay. Now, I try to run the code. Ay, so, wala siya nakita. Sample view model. Sample view model. Okay. It's a sample
Once you open Excel file, the link is control A highlights all these things. After go to the home, then go to the format of the file. Right? Then go to the color view. Then show the channel box and then change the color to 2.5. Once done, then you can now start creating.
Because you have to include the someone else local is supposed to C or my paper binding. Okay. Okay, let's play this one. Insert the code. So as you can see, data binding. So whatever I type here, it updates automatically the label. So that's data binding. Very simple example. And also you can do the binding. You go to main page. So kani nga binding pwede rin ni siya sa program side. Tutor ni this one. Then you go to the app, I mean the CS file of the main page. Then you mo ibutang binding context is equals to sample view model. New sample model. So do kapagi katong using the content page property, or you can do this. So let's try if it works. So I think masaya na siya. No? Kasi mabura siya code and butang na lang sa okay, do you understand? Hey, yun din yung makita ang output, no? Sorry guys. Output guys. Tara. So, whatever I type, updates here. So, this is one way of declaring the binding context. So, ito pag ganiha. Ito sa iris na, balik na. Okay, wala mo kita. The summary. Kani ba? Kani siya. So, you have to declare the local so that it can be, so that the view model can be seen. So, maging mo folder yung view model. Ikuha na mo sumpay na mo that sa folder. So, hello, di ko madungog. Hello, mic test.
Sir.
Oh.
Sir.
Sige. Kani siya is one way of using binding na. So, content page, binding context. So, mas taas-taas siya og code compared sa katong nara siya sa program. So, you go to main page, just mainly type binding context is equals to new, then your view model. So actually binding is di siya magana kung di ka magamit og MVVM, no? So MVVM, the architectural pattern that we will use in creating mobile applications, it's mainly the best recommended MVVM dito. Dili BBM ha, MVVM. No? So MVVM, but for this project nahugra og model pod ang view model kay usara man tong mga file which is na diri ang property, nasa diri ang iyang event, the property change. So giusara nato ang model og ang view model. So what if ato siyang MVVM gid, no? Okay, so first thing to do is for example lang, we will have to add the folders of MVVM. So first in the folder models, then you add the folder sorry, add new folder view models, then add a new folder for the view. So in this matter, ma-organize ang files. So first is we'll create the model. So add class na siya. We'll name this class as, for example, like movies. No? We will store data for movies. Movie na siya. Basta class gani singular. No? Okay, we will create a collection of movies pa man later on. But for now, So timan nila ninyo kung maghimot class, it's a singular form of word. Okay. So person, section, sa ba, account. So singular ganyan siya. So coincide siya sa imuhang imuon nga database pohon. But for now, class ata. So class or models movie. So let's declare some properties. So obviously the movie has a title. Get set. Sorry. Get set. Bara ba mag-OOP guys na?
Oo. Oo, sir.
OOP. OOPROG ba?
Yes, sir.
Mana siya?
Ano?
Yeah, you can do it like this or you can apply encapsulation. So kanilang dila sa mag-encapsulation ha kaya para madali ta. Then string we have the title, we have the genre. What's this? Kanalang sando ha para dali ra. So title and the genre. Then mana tong class model or the class, the model, movie. The next is you have to create the view model. The view model connects the two, the model and the view. So diri ang tanan nga transaction may tabo, new item. So let's name this movie view model. Make it public. And inside, no, we will inherit first the I notify property change. Then let's create a observable correction. We'll name this the type of movie today. I don't know, not movie. Not movie. Then we'll call this movies. So a collection of movies. So it's not nullable, I think. Non-nullable, so it must contain that. Pwede ba siya string empty? Ayan lang. Nagdaroon. Okay, so we have the movies collection, then public. So observable, encapsulate na that ano, collection type of movies. Then movies. Let's change it to gamay nga letter. So movies, get movies, no, movies. Then set the value into movies equals to value. Then on property change, name of movies. Then after that, ato sa ako sa copy-paste lang akong kuan property change itong gitype na to kaniya ba the event and method on property change. So mora gyud ni ganiya. Then so we will not add, we will not do user input. So we will just populate lang populate the collection. So to populate the collection, we can do we can create constructor. No? So to create a constructor, so you just name the constructor same sa iyang class. So movie model na. So once the view model is being called, automatically this view model nga constructor will be will also be kanang sana executed now. So movies is equals to new observable collection movie. Then inside we'll assign some value movies. So a new movie, then title is equals to, for example, lang we have Harry Potter. Then we have the genre, gen, the genre, yeah, genre. I think it's separated with comma there. Genre is equals to fantasy. Then you can put comma there. Then you can add more movies. So let's add the Rambo 3. So action. Then we'll add white chicks. That's comedy. Okay, kana lang to lang sa ano. We populate the collection. So once the program loads, it will add the movies inside the collection so that we can display something in the view model. I am in the view. So let's create a view. I want to. So you can just, I think, try na to copy paste ang main page there. And let's just rename this one uh, movie view. So this one is movie data binding. Data binding views. That movie view. I hope this works. Let's see assembly. Oh my god. So let's rebuild clean. Rebuild. Bam. Siya makita. Data binding. Verify the missing assembly. Oh, maybe the CS file niya, no? Ah, there. So there should be movie view. So, kita siya ba't kanina sa problema. Initialize component. Let's try to clean and rebuild. Build. Clean solution. Clean solution. Lagi mag-clean sa... Ay, cancel. Initialize. Okay, movie. Okay. Movie view. Movie view. Movie view. Movie view. Movie view. binding SDK. Accept. Oh my god. Clean. Summary build. The project data binding is missing under the sticker required for build. Double click the message prompts and install them. Saan to? Okay, so for now we will be using sa ako sa ipapaswordan ng ko na under the stick. For a while, nara siya install accept. Yeah. So, okay, I hope this works. So, I think ang problema ni is wa man gud na install ang kuan. Sana wala mo install ang wala di ko kakita sa katong kuan gani mag-add ko og add ko item. Dara na lagi. Karon pa ni load. Sa ako na sa delete ha. Delete. Okay, so clean and rebuild. Nah, nangulasig password lagi. That's tag you .NET content page movie view. Then the movie view will have the stock layout. Ako na yung copy-paste dali na. Sumahan na siya. So we have the stock layout and the convection view, which is binded to the movies. There's no year. There's no poster URL. So only the title and general. So let us see if the display. Ay, wait, safety akong gigon. Let's go to app first, no, to load the view, movie view. No. Movie view type. Ano? Sa pag spelling sila. Okay. Why display? Sa view okay. So you have to data bind ni context pa rin. So don't forget this one. Hindi ko na makita yung mga new new movie view model. So using data binding that view models. Movie view model. Let's run the code. Tara. So by populating uh, the collection, automatically the data is binded uh, in the UI. I mean the sana elements collection view movies and binding the title and the genre title and genre. So we can add a an, so ano yun siya MVVM. So you have to convert the to-do list activity to MVVM. So it should be this one. So dapat na mo models. So the model should be the task, no? So sa mga properties sa task. So ibutan niyo the title and the description pwede resad, no? Then in the view model, to create a view model also, but no need this one ha. Wala tayo papilit the collection because we are the one to be adding the collection man. So then here sa inyong view, same gapon using uh, using a collection view uh, to view all the uh, data sa imong observable collection. So more ta guys, we'll check that one mga next meeting siguro if ever maka face to face data. So wala pa ko idea if mag face to face na ba next week. So wait lang daw for official announcement, okay? So for now, kindly turn on your cameras for the last attendance. So